Hello and welcome, guys. String formatting. There are multiple ways to perform string formatting, but following three are more prominent. The oldest method involved placeholder using the modulo character. An improved correct techniques uses the dot format string method, which we already used earlier. The newest method introduced in Python 3.6 and is the string literals called the f strings. So let's uh, start with the modulo operator. You um, can use the s to inject the string um, into your statement, and uh, and here the modulo uh, uh, is referred as string formatting operator. So here we go, and print, we can say like that here. I am going to school and specific here, and we can say like that evening. And if we just run it, I'm going to school in evening. So it inject here this string this evening. So you can pass multiple items by placing them inside the tuple after this modulo is here. So like that here the statement, sorry, here we go, and here we can just this is my part, and this is my part, and here we can just use this as and we can say the first, and this is the second. So let's run it. So this is my first part and this is my second part. So by this way you can use it, and also you can use the variables as well for this, like that I and b. This is the variable creation here like this, and here the first, and here the second, and here if I like to copy this statement, and here the a, and here the b. So the result would be the same. This is my first part and this is my second part. So also there are the format conversion methods as well. Here the just conversion format methods, and let's see here. There are the uh, uh, we can say like that here. I just there are two methods, str and wrapper. You can say like that. So and we can use the tool modulo s and modulo r. How basically these functions are we can say like that. Here is this r, and here is this modulo s. So by this way, and how this work, I would like to show you here. This is like mm, my name is, and here is this s, and we can say like that, John, and here is this r, and my name is John. So if you run, my name is John, and my name is John. This is the difference for this here and s and or. So this is the basically the difference in this. The modulo S operator converts whatever it sees into the string, including the integer and float. There are the other modulo operators that are convert the numbers to integer. That is the modulo D operator. So here, just only the modulo D to convert. Uh, we can say like that the numbers to integers without rounding. So let's see print and what it do. I just complete the lecture in this one, and we can say like is 4.75 minutes. So you can see here, I just complete the lecture in 4.